And in the far corner, down the end, up on the tire, make some noise, you know it, the bounty hunter, Jimmy Green. And the latest addition, the red machine, the Zoltan Monterey concept machine from the five-finger death punch. Your drive tonight, Darren Minguez in Knucklehead. The mini monsters on the floor tonight, the kid KJ in the monster bear machine. I tell you what, that thing's tore up. Look for this kid to do some damage. Kid KJ. Advo Morgan driving the Demolition Diva out of St. Cloud, Florida. And Chris Dixon, 16 years old, the Little Bully. So Chris Dixon, 16 years old, the Demolition Diva, she is 12. And check out Kid KJ, the young man on the scene, only... How old are you? 11 years old. This ought to be pretty wild tonight, folks. Put your hands together, make some noise. It's the Hardy County Monsters! Showdown! Gonna get some of our sponsors down here to the center arena and get things kicked off tonight. On down 80. Also want to remind everybody the after party tonight at Main Street Grill. All four of the drivers will be there having a good time. I'd like to thank the folks at Lincoln Welders, VP Racing Fuels, the Crash Claims Are Us, James Carter, the racing lawyer. Amy's down here too. Also give a shout out to Bagwell Lumber. Amy, I'd like to thank you for your family and everybody supplying the cars down here at the arena, and got some more out there too. We're going to tear some stuff up tonight.
Yes, we're very excited to be here. Thank you all.
And you guys, and the name of your company is Recycling?
Recycling at Marty's. We're at 251 Airport Road here in Wauchula. Come out and see us.
Your family's pretty deep inset. They all know you out here, so you've been here a long time then.
Yes, sir. We've been here about 8 or 9 years.
We appreciate you guys coming on board and helping us out here tonight, and enjoy the show.
Thank you. You guys enjoy.
Once again, I want to thank everybody for coming out tonight as we get ready for our invocation and our national anthem. And singing the national anthem tonight is going to be McKett Jackson, and our invocation tonight is going to be given by Kenny Johnson. I want to thank you both for coming out here. Now, McKett actually won online on Facebook that she was going to sing the national anthem, so congratulations, 15 in a minute. If I could please ask everyone right now, please rise, take off your hats for our invocation and the singing of our